Banana chips, not a delicious snack. And this video will show you how to dry banana chips in less than 30 minutes. And it is a very healthy, non-fried, zero additive method. First, cut the peeled bananas into slices with a thickness about 4 millimeters. And then, place the banana slices in the cheese. We can also place them in multiple layers so that more can be dried in one batch. And then we will put the cheese with banana slices on the rack inside the machine. The rotating rack can make the drying more even. Close the door, turn on the drying program, and the drying process will begin. On the control panel, we can set the drying time, temperature, and other parameters. With different parameters, the machine can also dry lemons, pineapples, strawberries, and other fruits. After 20 to 30 minutes, the banana slices will be dried well. When the pointer of the vacuum gauge returns to 0, we can open the door and take out the banana crisps. During the drying process, the bananas have been under vacuum and low temperature drying conditions. The whole process only removes the moisture and retains the flavor and nutrition of the bananas. It is a healthy way of drying non-fried, zero additive products. If you like this machine or want to try more products, please contact us. Thank you for watching.